Okay guys, welcome back. So in yesterday's video, we put together our signatures, or how we think we're going to do the signatures. So today what I need to do is I need to start embellishing them. Right now I'm not worried about which one is the front and which one is the back or anything like that. I'm just going to kind of get started on them. So I know, like for here, I do not want all of that white space showing, but what I'm going to do, I don't know if I want it there. I can put like a side tuck here, and I'm going to do a lot of sewing in this, so I'll do as much as I can like on camera here, and then what I'll do, we'll get to a point to where I'm not able to, you know, keep going until I get stuff sewed, and then I'll pause or and then come back after I've got some stuff sewed. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this piece at, I'm so sorry, 6 3/4 maybe. And then let me just make sure I got that. Okay, so then how wide do I want my pocket? Let's say, let's do 2.5 inches. Okay. And so this will go right here, like that. Now I want to round the corners. That's going to be the inside of the pocket. And then, oh Lord, I got a blanket stuck up here on my, sorry, this is one of the things I told y'all that I pulled out my embroidery machine, and I was doing this for my great niece. Okay, so now let me get this, and I'm just going to put a little pull tab right there. Oop, I am so sorry, I'm bumping you guys. And now, because I am going to sew this, I will glue this just a little bit, but I am not going to use much glue at all, because actually I think I may use my Fairly Arts for this, because I just need just a little bit right there, just to hold it enough until I get to my sewing machine. And that's all that I really need. And then I'm just gonna set that on there. Okay, so we've got that. Now we have, this is the back side of this page. And we can actually do a belly band. It doesn't look even, so let's straighten that up. Let's see, we'll do it 1.5 if I can do it. I just wanted to get that even. Okay, I think I like that. And again, I will probably end up stitching this. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue just to get me over to the sewing machine. Okay, so we've got that part of it done. Oh, I can't get this in. Oh my goodness, y'all. This will drive me crazy. Okay, so do we want to put anything on here? I don't know. Let's hold off on that. Now we have this. And what we can do is we can do some stamping on here. And I would have preferred my blue jean, but I don't know where my blue jean went. There's no telling what I've done with it. So I am not stressing over that right now. I may stress over it later, but I'm not right now. I'm just looking at some of my stamps that I have. These right here are like some Dollar Tree stamps, I think. They have quite a few good stamps. Okay, so let's get maybe this one too. All right, let's see what we can do with this. So I'll set this to the side because this page is kind of done to a point. So let's do this cute little butterfly. And man, it is stuck down there. Wow. Okay, so what color do I want to do? Let's try Broken China. Let's just see what it does. So I'm just gonna maybe put a little stamp right there. And I probably could have stamped it a little better than that, but oh well. It'll be okay. And let's see. Let's go to the inside here. And this page, even it's a very good quality page, but I don't want to put a lot of weight on it because as you all probably know, manuscript paper is not a very sturdy type paper. And so I don't want to put anything on it that's going to weight it down that may cause it to rip or tear. So that's why I'm not doing anything like that on this page. A little bit of stamping. We may put some washi on it. Let's see what washi we have. I brought out some of my blue washis. These are more beach themed than anything. Yeah, most of these are beach themed, so we may not be using any of those. I have a bunch more washi, but I don't know that I want to. Oh, hey, I found my denim. All I had to do was open the drawer. Lord help me. Or faded jeans, that's what it is. Okay, so we're going to just hold off on that for right now. Now I have, this is the vellum. And I don't know what I want to do on the vellum. I will stamp on the vellum, but I am not going to use the Distress Oxide. I am going to use a StazOn, simply because that vellum, it will smear on that vellum. So let's maybe do a dragonfly on the vellum. Where's my other thing, the clear stamps? Oh shoot, they're all the way over there. And yeah, I'm not getting up and going and getting them. Or we could do, well, let's do the dragonfly. We'll do that to begin with. We'll see how it does. Ooh, that's a juicy ink pad. Okay, and so now I do not want to touch this for a little bit because that will smear until it dries. So I do have some more on my Dragonfly, and I'm just going to put it right here. I don't know why it's missing that one spot on all the stamps, it seems like. Maybe I'm not pushing it down enough there. And then I get just that. Oh well, it looks okay. So let's put this out of the way. And let's keep working. So I don't need to do, as you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is still pretty wet. So I want to make sure that I let that dry good before I do anything. Now we have this music paper. This is one that I definitely need to be careful with. Very gently do that. And I'm thinking that I may put a strip of washi right down the middle of this, just so that it will help protect it. Because it is so delicate. So that's all I'm doing. And of course this washi is giving me a fit, but it's okay. And I think as long as I have that one little strip of washi, I think that should be fine. I think that's going to protect it enough. Let me see if I can do something with this washi here. Oh my gosh. That's why that washi is not in my store. Because y'all know I order stuff and then I decide how I like it, and if it's something that I would put in my store, then I will. And some of these, I don't have a clue if they're in my store or not. Okay, so let's just use, let's see how this is. Let's see if I got some in here that might work. Oh, guys, I hit you. I'm so sorry. Let me see. I think that one sheet's going to be fine. I don't want to go putting too much on it. Okay. Let's not do anything with this sheet right now. Let's leave this like it is, maybe. Okay, so on this one here, let's see. I think we can create a pocket or a tuck. And I think that would look cute. Actually, let's use that for a journal card. Let's see. These are some of our strips, and you know, we may end up doing like some collage type paper with these strips because I don't want to waste them. And I'm seeing if there's some that, you know, some of the papers you can actually turn it sideways and you really wouldn't be able to tell it much. So that's what I'm just looking to see what I may have that I can do like that. Like this piece is one. And so we could put a small like bottom pocket right here. So let's try that. That was my great measuring. cut it wonky. Did y'all see that? This is why I should probably never cut without a cutting board or a paper trimmer, because I do goofy stuff like that. So I need to just trim that up because I did awful. All right. So now I've got that trimmed. And I'm going to round the corners just a little bit. Just slightly. And I'm going to put a small pull right there. Now, let's see. Let me see how it would look if I ink it up a little bit. Just to kind of differentiate it from that background. I want you to be able to see it. Okay, so let's a little bit of glue. I probably will not sew on this. I don't know, I may. So I'm still gonna put a little bit, but I'm gonna do it to where if I don't sew on it, it'll be okay. And I'm putting it a little more towards the outside of the paper than I am the inside. And that's just so that it'll keep it off of that spine area. Okay, so let's move along to the inside here. And this would make a cute belly band. But what I may do, because like we said, this paper is very, it's just the nature of this paper for it to be kind of thin like this. I am actually going to fold it in half. All right, so let me cut a little bit off the end. Actually, I'm going to glue it and then I'll cut it because I'll show you why. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I have some stick glue that would probably be better, but we'll just put a little bit of this down. I probably should not have used this, and I should have used Fabri-Tac because this is a wet glue. And it's probably going to make it buckle, but somebody wasn't using their brain. Not in the least. It's gonna be okay. So I've got that glued down. Okay. I will go right here with Fabri-Tac and right along this edge where I don't have it glued down good. And now the other thing I can do, and I probably will do, is I will show you in just a second. I don't even know if any of that Fabri-Tac came out. Okay. So the other thing I think I will do on this is I will put a thin little strip of tape. And this will do two things. One, it will kind of make it stand out. And two, it's going to add a little bit of a reinforcement to it. So I'm just going right there. I'm using that line. I'm just going right there. And then I can bend it over. And then I can do the same right here. Just use that line to help hold it. Okay. And I'm wondering if I should do it all the way around. I might should just make it look a little better and give it a little bit more stability. So yeah, guys, this is how I craft. Let's just, when I get started, I have no clue how things are going to go. I don't like have a set idea in mind of what I want to do. I just get started and then I just kind of go for it. Okay, so I need to trim off a little bit. That's why I wanted to measure first before I put my tape down. So I cut about right up there. And then I'll put this down. So this really don't look anything at all like I had thought I was going to do it, but I do like the way it's turning out. All right, so now let's see. I actually like that. It's different, but I like it. So let's glue it down. We'll glue down 2 sides here. And that tape just gave it some stability to where when you're putting stuff in and out, it is not going to give like it would with just the manuscript paper. Okay, so I like that. And now we have the back side here. And let's see. I think what I want to do, I don't know if this will hold this thing or not. No. Okay, so scratch that part of it. Let's use this. Let's just put a little bit of this down. I like it. It's just kind of barely there. I'm good with that. And then the back side, I want this. Hang on, let me pull it out of the... Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm hitting you guys. I have to get used to filming on the iPad because it's a lot bigger and more in the way. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. Oh, yeah. Okay, I love it. And I still have some on there, and you know we can't let it go to waste. So what are we gonna do? We are going to grab this thing here. And we are going to see if we can get it to stamp. Oh yeah. Love it. Okay, so let's see. This is dry yet? Yeah, it looks like it's dry. So we've got this, and that. Okay, so let's move along to the next page. At the rate I'm going, we might get one signature done today. And it won't even be done because I still have all the sewing to do. But that's how I craft. I just enjoy it and I take my time. And I thought I had some more. I do. All right, well, what I'm going to do, because I can see that because I normally try to keep my videos about 30 minutes or so. Excuse me. Number one, it's just easier for editing purposes, and you guys don't get so tired of me, hopefully, in 30 minutes. So, great goodness, I keep hitting you guys. So I may go ahead and end the video for today, and then I will probably just keep working. And what I may even do is go ahead and get as much done on these signatures as I can, on all three of them off camera, and then I can, when it's time to, you know, start adding like finishing touches to it, I will come back on camera and we'll add finishing touches and then sew it in and get it all together like that. So for now, I think that's all I'm going to do on camera. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.